My lord, I'm no thief. Oh. Wait a minute. Who are you guys? Miguel and Julio? Well, I'm Chel. It's nice to meet you. Oh, I'm not doing anything. Don't worry about me, boys. My only wish is to serve the gods. Would you like to help me make some empanadas? It is for them, you know. Okay. I will put everything back. Ooh, so juicy. So we're gonna put them in here. Julio, you are going to love it. Alright boys, if you're really here to please, you need to know how to make the perfect empanada. And I am so kind and generous, I will teach you. So here we have delicious herbs, spices, and of course, we have our chicken. You boys look like you've never cooked a day in your life. We have a special seasoning blend, and I'm gonna put that right over all of this chicken. Sprinkle on every part, and we're gonna massage this meat. We're really gonna get in here and massage every single part of it. What? You're acting like you never massaged meat before. And here I have this ancient pan heating up with the most incredible oil you've ever found. You've never tried oil like this, I promise you. You boys are funny, just staring at me like that. This bottle is so ancient. I don't even want to tell you where I got it from. I really shouldn't even be showing it to you. Now, cooking empanadas, there's very important steps. And if you're making chicken empanadas, you need to brown the chicken. You can't just throw everything into the pot. No, absolutely not. We need to build the flavors. We need to impress the gods. That's what they like. I mean, I guess you guys would know that, right? So let's work with a few bits at a time. Well, you guys tell me what you're really doing here.
No.
I know I'm beautiful, but that doesn't mean I can't tell when something's going on. Alright, keep it to yourselves. I'm just here for the journey. Smells delicious already. Doesn't it? Oh, my jewelry? Do you guys like them? I've had these for a while now. I would love some gold though. Can you please imagine some gold on my ears? Oh, what a dream. Julio, what do you think? How would some gold look on my ears?
I can't afford any distraction.
Look at these beautiful brown pieces of chicken. The smell, the brownness is so incredible. And don't worry about cooking it through all the way right now. Because once we get everything together, the onions, the garlic, everything that we need in here, we're gonna let this simmer for an hour. But right now, we just want it nice and brown. Alright, now that these are nice and browned on both sides, we're just gonna pull out this chicken. Ooh, so juicy. Now we have this nice, saucy, oily combo in here. We're gonna add our onions. Alright, we're gonna give these onions a mix. We're gonna get it nice and fragrant. How do you boys feel about spiciness? No, silly. Jalapeños. I love spiciness. And you boys are gods, right? So I'm sure this won't affect you in any way. Do you smell the beautiful fragrance? It smells so delicious. I also want to throw in some garlic. And let's let that get nice and fragrant as well. Because you can't show up to your people empty-handed, right? This is gonna be the perfect meal. And you guys trust me already, so you guys know what I'm saying to be true. I also want to throw in fresh tomato, some fresh sofrito. Next, we're adding our tomato sauce, giving that a mix. And we're just gonna let this settle for about a minute or two, okay? And then you're not gonna believe what I have next. Liquid from the gods. I've met once or twice. Can you believe it? He called it chicken stock. It's for the gods. And we're just putting this in there. And now that we have this yummy sauce in here, we're gonna put our chicken right back into this pot. We are gonna let it simmer for about an hour or until the chicken shreds apart. It's gonna be so delicious, so much flavor in here. But before we close the lid and let it simmer for an hour, I do have one more thing to put in here. And don't forget, the juices are so important. So we're gonna put that right back in here as well. I found these long ago on my journey. I was told these are so ancient, so potent. So we're gonna put them in here. I was told that they're possibly called bay leaves, but I don't know. I think I want to call them Chel leaves. Well, don't be shy. Come in closer and get a closer look. Alright, since you guys are the gods, we of course have to bless our area before we make these empanadas. And it also keeps the bugs away. For the gods, for the gods. Alright, now to make empanadas, we are putting all into this. Our love, our heart, our sweat, our soul, and a little hit. Now this film is protection for these empanadas that I, of course, made this dough by myself. So we're just gonna take that and we're going to spoon just a little bit as filling right into the center. Is that okay for you? And we're just gonna fold that into itself and just press the edges with the fork ever so gently. And here we have a beautiful pre-cooked empanada. And now I'm just gonna keep making them, so pay attention. And last thing that's left to do is just brush it ever so gently with a nice little egg wash. We are here to impress. So these empanadas need to be super crispy, golden brown. You boys didn't think I wouldn't know how to cook, did you? Okay, and last one. I'm gonna keep making these in batches. For our first batch, they're ready to go into the oven. The oven I found to cook these in is super ancient. It's so old. It only takes a specific kind of wood. But I know you guys can find me the wood I need, right? I could really use a massage. Everybody in the village always raves about my guacamole, so we are making that because for empanadas, why not? Did I mention I made a special empanada for you? Julio, you are going to love it. So in here, I have 4 avocados. Then I'm just adding some red onion, jalapeno, some tomatoes. Then I just want to squeeze in a lime. You need that lime juice. Have you ever just tasted it? Now let me put on some protection. Now we're gonna add the finest salts and the finest pepper. And we're just gonna go in and smash this up. Really get in there. Now I think we're ready to taste. I'll let you lick first. Perfect every single time. Now we can go check on our empanadas. We have found gold. I also have some salsa, some guac, some rice, and maduros because we have to impress with the whole feast. And Julio, I made yours special with some gold. Even though, Miguel, you know I love you too. Last thing left to do is to taste. I'm gonna get this salsa too. This is so delicious. All right, boys, thank you so much for helping me. This is worthy of impressing the gods, don't you think? I mean, look at that. Who can deny this? Well, I have to go. The Smoking Bikini chef, she'll be back. I did replace her for the day, but you will see her next time. If you want to continue to support her, make sure you like this video, comment on the next costume that you want her to be, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. See you later, boys. You two give me a marker. That's so fun. I also wanted to thank you guys so much. I can't believe I have 100K subscribers on YouTube. So let me know if you guys want me to do an unboxing. I will do that with you guys if you're interested. I just can't believe it. I've told you guys in other episodes, I promise you, I swore nobody would watch it besides my friends. So it's amazing to even have millions of views on some videos. Like, I am so grateful. So this is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna do an up close because you guys have to see it. On the road we blaze. What a beautiful day to be Chel. Like, it's not even hot. I have to practice my Chel walk. I just need wind. Is this thing on? Help! And that's how we know we are ready. Here we were in the airplanes in the night sky like a shooting stars. Why do I automatically do a country accent? No.